Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear autofill on Mac. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. How to clear autofill on Mac using CleanMyMac X. CleanMyMac X is one of the best and most powerful cleaning software that helps you to clear the junk files and free up storage on your Mac. It provides lots of useful features to optimize your Mac. This allows you to clear caches, cookies, and other unnecessary data in a single click. CleanMyMac is available in a free and premium versions. Highlights of CleanMyMac X. Most powerful tool to clean Mac. Simple and intuitive user interface. Works efficiently. In-depth checkup for your Mac. Compatible with the latest macOS versions. Pricing. CleanMyMac X is available in 2 subscriptions, such as 1-year subscription and one-time subscription. These are the prices of the plans in 1-year subscription. And these are the prices of the plans in one-time subscription. Open any browser on your Mac and visit the official site of CleanMyMac X. Check description for the website link. Purchase and download the application onto your Mac. Launch the application after the successful installation of the application. Then you will find the interface of the application as shown in the tutorial. Move to the Privacy section by clicking on the Privacy option on the left menu. Click on the Scan option. Then it shows a pop-up as shown in the tutorial to close the running application if any. Choose the Quit or Quit All option to close those applications. After closing the applications, CleanMyMac X starts to scan your Mac. Later, it displays the results of scan. Choose the browsers from which you want to clear the autofill. Make sure that the autofill is checked in the browser sub-options. Later, click on Remove to clear the autofill. How to clear autofill in Safari browser on macOS. Launch the Safari browser on your Mac. Click on the History option available in the top menu bar. An options list will open. Choose the Clear History option. A window will pop up. Choose the time range by clicking on the drop-down option. Later, click on Clear History to clear the autofill. How to disable autofill in Safari browser on macOS. Launch the Safari browser and click on the Safari option available on the top menu. An options list will open. Choose the Settings option from that list. Then a window will pop up. Move to the Autofill section. There you will find the various categories of autofill. Disable them by unchecking the category. This is how you can disable the autofill. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.